Hello everyone, this is Zach here. So today this video here, I would like to go through this CIMB group. I think for those members or maybe some of our friends that have been following us, this is one of the stocks that we'll be looking into right since the completion of this reaccumulation with VCP. So again, do a very quick background check over here. So every time when we want to do some stock analysis, we always start with the background. So this is what we call the reaccumulation with VCP setups. Okay, we got 1, 2, and 3 before it breaks up with a nice pullback. So recently they also make a nice pullback. Of course, market overall is weakening for KSC, but CMB overall still holding pretty well. So if you notice that the volume recently is slightly a bit increasing, okay, especially on Upbars, so it's a good sign. So the other day it actually dropped with high volume. Okay, so this is again a bit worried because potentially it might make a further pullback distribution. But as long as the price hold bars come with green patterns over here, so it means that the chances for the strength is taking over is pretty high. So let's look into some example previously. So here we got a red pentagons, sell off high volume. So what we want to look into is that is there any subsequent support, to ensure there's no confirmation on the sell bar. Of course, green pentagon is always good to have, okay, to ensure the strength is overcoming weakness, okay, followed by a pullback before it goes up again. So I think here it's kind of like similar with previously. Of course, the volume for this one is higher, but the green pentagon later on come with higher volume as well. So if you look into the weekly charts overall, we do see the trade setup actually is still pretty good in the uptrend overall. I can say it's right. So here we got some nice pullback, and here as well. Okay, so green pentagon is still here. So for those that who are looking for long term, you can actually check out the weekly chart where is the green pentagon, where is the potential support by using the green pentagon. All right, so there's just a quick updates for CIMB. Overall, I think the trend still very healthy. There's not much of some weakness. Okay, so continue to monitor on the support area, which is the green panel area, depending are you short terms or long term. So long term use the weekly charts, short term use the daily chart. All right. If let's say there's any change in terms of charts, I will give an update soon. Thank you for watching.